and it was a shock for him to get the first reading of 48,000 blood platelet, and then he was referred to the experts at Delhi Gangaram Hospital, where he was treated again for a week with ups and downs of the figures, and at the last he was advised to go for splenectomy, which he rejected. He came back home on 2nd February 7. On 18th March, he also started Ayurveda treatment from Patanjali Yoga, Hyderabad, Haridwar, where his count was 29,000. He underwent depression. The word of my, these are the words of the exact patient. The word my eyes were looking was absolutely black and hopeless. Some of the medications, steroids, thrown me into depression. It was total failure and no way out. I felt myself victimized at the level of body and doctors too. But the failure is the milestone. Search on internet the patients of ITP. There he found some about Reiki. Then he again went back to his homeopathic doctor and he asked about Reiki. By chance, the doctor was known to me. He referred him to me. This is all in his words. She guided me in the dimensions of holistic healing and proposed herself healing me with Reiki. She introduced me with Noni and its benefits, insisted to take regularly. It was a costly affair for me. She helped me in various ways to somehow manage to continue drinking Noni with no break for 6 months. Counseling. She called my parents and counseled him too, asking support to just by being positive and not to get out of the fear. Then the healing. Onset of healing started. We started Reiki healing with him on 7th April for 21 days. I proposed him for 21 days, but I did it for 1 month. Though my count was still low, but I was thrilled to have better parts of my life back. In few weeks, I turned back to full-time work and job again. A return. On May 7, I returned back my studies at the end of May 7 and stopped everything except Reiki healing and Noni. Soon within 2 months, I was supported to learn second degree. Now continuing with Reiki and Noni. He kept on investigating himself. Again, every third day, fourth day, he was just giving his blood sample for investigation. But I said no, now it is not required. If you are feeling better, otherwise why to go for investigation again and again. So I stopped her, just insisting him to follow the 5 principles of Reiki that we usually teach in our workshop. Pranayama. When I told him about pranayama, the slide is not perfect. He was apprehensive. Just with the view, I kept on adding something new after every month or so. And secondly, he was a very busy student pursuing for IM and everything. So he said, I don't have time. But I insisted that no, you have to do it. Move in the higher dimension. Self-realization is knowing that the body, mind and soul are one with omnipresent God. We do not have to pray that it come to us. We are not merely near it all time, but all that God's omnipresence is our omnipresence. We are just the part of Him now and ever. All that what we do to improve our knowing. These are the words of the patient after he got